Yeah, so for me, market estimation and sizing part was very new and different.
Hmm.
How you how you extracted the gist of this complete topic and explained us that in very simple manner. So that was very good.
Hmm.
And basically, so as of now, I have very good understanding about the market sizing and estimation, and also the guesstimation part. But
Hmm.
like Ritika said, over the period
Hmm.
and with the continuous practice, we will be finding out the exact values and everything. So I believe it is matter of practice. So with
Hmm.
the help of any live project or any references, we will get better. So yeah, overall session was good, and yes, that is it.
Okay. Thank you. My pleasure. Because it's being a trainer
Yeah.
also, no? You know, in our industry, normally we train this kind of market size estimations after having 3 years, 2 year minimum 2 years or 3 years experience. Then only they will able to understand this sort of critical like estimations and all calculations and guesstimation part and all. So yeah, but in this training I designed such a way so that anyone fresher to the level like professionals also can understand. Okay, so I'm happy that you guys at least understand and that give that get that kind of confidence on that. But it's a matter of practice. My intention was to give that kind of exposures on every points to check that whether in any scenario you can able to perform. That was my intention. Now